If you are an anime fan, you would recognize the term from Naruto. That is the name of the goddess of the sun in Japanese mythology. It is also the name scientists gave to a mysterious high-energy particle that hit Earth, seemingly coming from nowhere. While you are thinking about that also, whose job is it to kill the International Space Station? Toshihiro Fujii, an astronomer at the Osaka Metropolitan University in Japan, was doing a routine data check at the Telescope Array project in Utah. That is when he discovered some peculiar signals on May 27, 2021. On that day, the massive telescope array in the desert detected what turned out to be the second highest extreme energy cosmic ray ever recorded in history. But when researchers tried to find where it came from, they drew a blank. The particles are so high energy, they shouldn't be affected by galactic and extragalactic magnetic fields. You should be able to point to where they come from in the sky. But in the case of the Oh My God particle and this new particle, you trace its trajectory to its source, and there's nothing high enough energy to have produced it. That's the mystery of this. To produce particles like Amaterasu, you need something really powerful. Usually that means an exploding star, a supernova, or a supermassive black hole. But the researchers looked in the direction where the cosmic ray should have come from, and they discovered nothing there. There are three possible explanations for this one. The source could be something that we are yet to detect and identify. 2. There might be something wrong with the models used by scientists to find the source location of high-energy particles. 3. There is a need to rewrite high-energy particle physics. While high-energy particle physicists are stumped by that, some at NASA have a difficult task to contend with much closer to home. It will soon be time to kill the International Space Station. How will we do it? NASA, the Canadian Space Agency, and the European Space Agency have committed to operating the space station till 2030. The Russians might leave much earlier, since Roscosmos only committed till 2028. So in all likelihood, the ISS will be little more than space junk after 2030. The problem here is that, unlike most space junk, the 109-meter wide space station is too big to completely evaporate in Earth's atmosphere upon re-entry. That is why NASA has plans to send a spacecraft to tug the space station and deorbit in such a way that whatever remains will enter over the sparsely populated South Pacific Ocean. Right now, the American Space Agency thinks it will spend $1 billion doing that. Even though it is supported by Canada, Japan, and Europe, the space station is mainly the creation of the United States and Russia. Interestingly, it's one of the few areas where the two countries continued to cooperate even when their relations deteriorated. Until recently, NASA was planning on using multiple Russian Progress spacecraft to deorbit the space station. But that plan was already quite ambitious because of how difficult it will be to coordinate multiple spacecraft for the deorbiting maneuver. That would have been difficult even if the United States and Russia were on cordial terms. But not enough water has flowed under the bridge since the latter invaded Ukraine. The relations between the United States and Russia are arguably at its worst since the Cold War. In fact, that is already straining their cooperation on the International Space Station. This, combined with the fact that Russia's space capabilities have seemingly declined, means that NASA is looking elsewhere for solutions. Over the years, scientists have managed to unveil the existence of quite a few intriguing particles, pushing the entire field of physics forward with each discovery. There's the God particle, for instance, aka the Higgs boson, that grants all other particles their masses. There's also the so-called Oh My God particle, an unimaginably energetic cosmic ray. But now we have a new particle in town. It's named the Sun Goddess particle and is fittingly extraordinary. This particle has an energy level 1 million times greater than what can be generated in even humanity's most powerful particle accelerators. It appears to have fallen to Earth in a shower of other, less energetic particles. Like the "oh my God" particles, these bits come from faraway regions of space and are known as cosmic rays. The particle has been dubbed Amaterasu, after Amaterasu Omikami, the goddess of the sun and the universe in Japanese mythology, whose name means shining in heaven. And just as its mythological namesake is shrouded in mystery, so too is the Amaterasu particle. Its discoverers, including Osaka Metropolitan University researcher Toshihiro Fujii, don't know where the particle came from, or indeed what it is. They also still aren't sure what kind of violent and powerful process could have given rise to something as energetic as Amaterasu. This is the most energetic charged particle ever detected by the telescope array experiment, Fujii told Space.com. The hope is that just as Amaterasu is credited with the creation of Japan, according to the Shinto tradition, the Amaterasu particle can help create an entirely new branch of high-energy astrophysics. High-energy cosmic rays are extremely rare to begin with, but Fujii said, the Amaterasu particle has an energy level not seen in a staggering 30 years of cosmic ray detections. In fact, when the researchers spotted Amaterasu with the telescope array experiment involving 507 detectors spread across 270 square miles, 699 square kilometers, of the high desert of Millard County, Utah, they initially thought the detection must be some kind of mistake. First spotted by the telescope array experiment on May 27, 2021, the Amaterasu particle exhibits an energy of 224 exaelectron volts. For context, 1 eV is equivalent to 10⁻18 electron volts. This puts Amaterasu on a similar energy level to the most energetic cosmic ray ever discovered. Yes, that's the "oh my God" particle, which was detected in October 1991 by the Fly's Eye camera in Dugway Proving Ground, Utah. The latter had an energy of 320 eV. The Amaterasu particle should be an important message from the universe about extremely energetic phenomena, but we need to disentangle the origin of this mysterious particle. So friends, what do you think about this explanation? Write your views in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get interesting videos. If you like the video, please like and share the video.